Hi guys, welcome back to another van build episode. Hope you're all good. And in today's video we have a few jobs getting done. We get the extended shelf wrapped, we carpet the parcel shelf, and we managed to build a working prototype for a drawer under the sink. So if you guys have been enjoying the build series so far, why not drop me a wee like and let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon, so you're always notified when I release a new video. We're actually at the end of this build, which is pretty exciting. The bits of jobs that need done, I'm going to replace this just to bring it a bit more square. I'm going to put the hole in that, carpet the edges. I'm going to put the hinges on this. What I've decided to do is, rather than have it the full length, I'm going to cut it just to about here. So I'm going to get this part to work. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a drawer for like utensils, cutlery, kitchenware and stuff like that, just to better use the space, because I feel just having that full extended thing there is just wasting the space under there. I've also got wood filler as well, just so I can go down and fill any wee imperfections and stuff like that, like wee holes and stuff, like these holes as well, because there's quite a lot of them. There's a big one right there. It's just to tidy that up a bit. And that's pretty much it, but it's just all the arse jobs that I can't be bothered doing. I'm also going to carpet this as well, just to give that a finish. I just want to finish it now and get in it. So a side note, I'm not going to do the brackets on here until I paint it. All of this trim, all this kind of wood, and even the bed is getting painted a colour, whereas all of this stuff, this is going to get stained. I don't want to start doing all the finishing brackets and all that stuff until I get that done, so they'll probably be last. Let's get started. So we've drilled two holes. One is a handle and one just for extra air circulation. now that it's dried, this is a drawer in action and how it will sit. It's just a prototype and it's just to give me an idea of the fit and dimensions now that it's sitting there. So just for finishing it off and having the aesthetics more appealing to the eye, I added a front plate. This will be where the cutlery goes, and then just like long utensils. Wait till you see the dimensions of this. This is absolutely funny as hell. So that just shows how off this is with that slant. So that is what it is, I don't care. The fact that I built a drawer in here blows my mind, even if it is just a mock-up. And as you can see, it's avoiding the sink with plenty of space to spare. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the direction it's going. I'm not keen on the wood sliding on wood, and I'm probably going to look at rails, but for now it gives me a good idea and a good place to start from. And for the last job of today, I carpeted the batons holding up the parcel shelf. It just gave it an overall cleaner look, and it definitely brings it all together as a more natural looking extension to the ceiling.